Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7, and if your horn on the steering wheel does not work, stay with us. We'll explain what could cause that and where to find the fuse for the horn, guys. Now, quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if that fixed your problem, guys. So let's start on it now. So once you guys open the hood of your vehicle, next to the car battery, this is your fuse box right here, and you're going to go ahead and open that clip, pull the fuse box this way and pull it up. Check this thing out. Okay, perfect. Now, usually guys, okay, the fuse for the horn, okay, is one, but on that vehicle you have two fuses and only one is listed in the manual. So make sure you stay until the end, because there is a second fuse, which is very confusing. Okay, this is the original fuse for the horn, 20 amp fuse, guys. Okay, this is the fuse that we need to check first. Okay, and if this is good and your horn still doesn't work, we'll show you which fuse you need to check after that. So we grab it, okay, and we pull it out. This fuse, guys, looks good, it's not burnt. And our horn, okay, I'll go ahead and install this one. Okay, and let me show you how the horn is still not working, guys, because I forgot to show you that. It's been a long day here at the shop, guys. So let me show you now the horn. Okay, it does not work. Nothing. So what we're going to do now, okay, there is a second fuse, guys, fuse number 2 that we need to check. And fuse number 2, guys, it's actually the one right above it, and it's for your stop lights. If your stop lights do not work, your horn will not work. Who came with that idea? I have no idea. So this fuse is burned, guys, check it out, completely shot. So I'll go ahead and replace it with a new one. If you need replacement fuses, guys, check this thing out. You can find a link in the description of the video below. Amazing deal for so many fuses, guys, very affordable price. So do check it out. Okay, I'll go ahead and install this one now. Okay, and let's see now what's going to happen inside. So let me go ahead and see if it's going to work this time. So definitely good working horn, guys. So if yours doesn't work, check these two fuses. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.